Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HBO Max on Roku, quick guide step by step clearly. To activate HBO Max on your Roku device, start by turning on your Roku TV or streaming device. Ensure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Navigate to the Roku home screen by pressing the home button on your remote. Scroll down to the streaming channels option and select it. In the channel store, search for HBO Max using the search function. Once you find the HBO Max channel, select it and choose the Add Channel option. Wait for the installation to complete and then select OK to return to the home screen. You should now see HBO Max added to your list of channels. Select the HBO Max channel to open it. Upon opening, you will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an HBO Max account, select the Sign In option. Enter your email and password associated with your HBO Max account. After signing in, you may need to verify your account using a code. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to obtain the activation code. Using a web browser, go to the HBO Max activation website. Enter the activation code provided by your Roku device on this website. Click on the Activate button to complete the process. Return to the HBO Max app on your Roku. You should now be logged in and ready to watch your favorite shows and movies. Enjoy your streaming experience on HBO Max. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.